I am back in Pilot Training Flight Simulator because there is yet again a new aircraft. Now there is the Airbus A220. So, the A220 comes in all of these lovely liveries. For today, I'd be using the Korean Air A220. I already have it spawned in right back here. And for today's flight, we will be going from Grindavik all the way down to South Tampa, or whatever that place is called. Also, the whole entire map has been like Christmasified with all white. But now let's go ahead and taxi out of the gates. Now I have already flown this plane off camera, and it flies real cool and real smooth. So now let's hope that our flight to Southern Tampa goes as planned. Hopefully no like emergencies happen. So let's stop and let's taxi to the runway. The runway is kinda not far away. Taxi times are short, which is a bonus for Korean Air. So now let's taxi. Average altitude for today's flight should be around 2,000 feet. So yeah, at full throttle, and we will approach the runway. We will come in like this. We will come into the airport like this. So yeah, we'll have to go ahead and go to that place. Now this A220 kinda looks like the A350 in this game, which a video on that plane will be coming shortly. Will be coming soon. But now let's take off, get the flaps because I forgot, and let's take off. Now this plane doesn't need that much runway to take off, which is a bonus. As you can see, half of the runway, and we have already taken off. Oh my, okay. Almost crashed right there. Now this plane accelerates real quickly. But now let's turn and head over to Southern Tampa. So I am here about more or less not that far away from the airport, and I have the airport in sight. So now let's start losing the altitude and slowing down the plane. Now there are people at the airport. I saw their name tags. There you go. They could possibly be blocking the entrance of the runway. So hopefully we don't have to do a go around. But now let's slow it down quickly, so maybe I can go in for a landing right now. No chance I'm gonna slow down the plane quick enough, so I'm going to do a circle around this place. Now I am at a very low altitude, so this is a real risky maneuver for me. Now I really hope that... Okay, Air Baltic has taken off, so that's one less person there. But now I think I have enough speed. Stall? No, we are not stalling. There we go. I got the plane back. You have to really seriously fight for control with these planes. Cause if something goes wrong, you're dead. Now there I almost died there. But now I'm gonna try to kinda butter this landing for Korean Air and give these people a good review. They have to give me a good review. But let's hope Korean Air is watching this and they give me a promotion. Wait a minute, I'm not center line. Okay, that was no butter. That was no butter at all. That was no butter at all. That was no butter at all. But can I stop? Because I touched down halfway through the runway, which is not acceptable. Korean Air, I hope you're not watching this. But this A220 is real powerful so that it can land here. So yeah, the A220, well done to the developers of this game for producing such a wonderful plane for this game, and it's fighting for one of my favorite planes in the whole entire game. But now let's taxi back to the gates. Just look at this plane, how sick it is. Let's increase the speed a bit, because we're on a runway after all, and like we can't have something go wrong, because then like we die. If a plane comes to land on us, rest in peace Aiden Previ. So let's taxi in. And we are officially inside of the airport. I can hear my passengers clapping in the background. Thank you very much, passengers. Now, this is the gate that this thing needs to go into. And they need the terminal intact. So I'll keep the terminal intact. Lol. More or less there. So let's get the flaps up, E to turn off the engines, and that has been a successful flight. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, follow me on TikTok at AidenPreviYT. But till next time, I'll see you all later. Bye bye.